In today's video, I will show how to enable data layer on your Shopify store very easily. And for this, you need to navigate to your website backend and find customer event and then custom pixel. And basically, we need to add a pixel. So give pixel name Shopify Data Layer and then add pixel. Okay, so now we need to copy this code. First we need to select this code and copy, and here you can see some code. You need to just remove all the code and paste that code, and here I need to put my GTM ID. So this is the GTM client side container, and here you can find that GTM ID. Okay, so now simply paste it here, and now here you can see schema of different platform. So if you want to track metapixel, you just need to make this true, that FB pixel true, and if you want to track TikTok pixel, you can make this true as well. So this is up to you. Make true according to your requirement, and then expand this option and select not required, and expand this also and select that this last one, and then save. Okay, now connect. Okay, and now the next part. For this, we need to copy this header code from GTM and the website URL. Okay, so now I need a help of this extension. If you don't have, you can simply install this extension. This extension name is Leomeda data layer checker and GTM injector. And here click settings, and now first give your website URL and then your GTM header code. Okay, and now simply and also enable this two option and then save. Okay, now it is time to check that it is working or not. For this, we need to preview the setup, and now copy the URL and paste it here and then connect. Okay, so now first let's view a product. Okay, here you can see view item, and this is the data layer. This is GA4 schema, and you can see each and everything is appearing here: value, currency, item name, each and everything. And this is Facebook schema. Each and everything is here: content ID, product ID, content name, value, currency, and this is TikTok schema. So view item is working very good. And now we'll have to cut this product, and again we will check, and you can see add to cart is working perfectly. This is currency value items working, and this is Facebook schema, and this is TikTok schema. And now let's view another product and add to cart. Okay, now we will go to begin checkout. Okay, here you can see begin checkout, and we have two items, that's why you can see two array, and currency, value, each and everything is working perfectly. This is GA4 schema, and where is meta? This is meta schema, and this is TikTok schema. And now the final is purchase. We will test purchase this two product. Okay, now okay, so now pay. Okay, so here this is purchase, and as you can see, this is customer information: first name, last name, email, Phone number, I haven't gave my phone number, that's why you are not seeing. City, state is not available. Zip code, country code, each and everything is here. And this is shipping information, and also html, each and everything is here. And this is e-commerce data layer, in e-commerce schema. And this is Facebook schema, and this is TikTok schema. And also if you pay attention, you can see add shipping info, add payment info. So all the necessary events is firing to this data layer. And this is how you can implement or enable Shopify data layer very easily for your Shopify store.